In this video, we will learn about the sort by function. The basic meaning of this function is that you can sort one column based on another column's sequence, and as an output, you only get that one column. So let me show you sort by. I choose the array. Then I need to sort this based on the score, and that too in ascending order. So I put in 1 and then I close the parenthesis. When I press enter, let's see the answer. I'm getting finance, automation, data warehousing, cloud computing. Now let me wonder why. Finance because it has the lowest score, followed by automation, then data warehousing, and finally cloud computing. So you want the answer only one column, but the sort order is being decided by another column. This is slightly different than sort function. So when you go to sort function, you can choose an array, ignore the next parameter, and simply say 1 as ascending order. Close the parenthesis, enter. So here the value itself is being sorted based on its own sequence. You can watch our sort video to get more details about the other parameters of sort function. This was the basics of sort by function.